Hello my students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll explain from weekly assessments. Number 3 from performance C and assessments box. Model letter A. First question shows the correct answer. Number 1, we have order pairs. X power 5 and y plus 1 equivalent to 32 and cubic root of 27. First projection it will be equal first projection and second projection equal second projection. Then x power 5 will be equal 32. Its meaning x power 5 equal 2 power 5. So the value of x here will be equal to, because 2 power 5 equals 32. And second projection y plus 1 equivalent to cubic root of 27. Then y plus 1 equal cubic root of 27 equal 3. And the value of y equal 3 minus 1 equal 2. We have the value of x and y. You want x difference y. Right, 2 minus 2 equals 0. The difference will be 0. Choose letter D. Next question. Number 2. We have x and y. You want to find Cartesian product between x and y. X Cartesian product by y. X was 2. Product by y was 3. Then the Cartesian product first 2 and 3. Choose the answer letter D. Next question. Second, we have order equal orders. In the first, x minus 2 will be equal 9. Its meaning x will be 11. And second projection equals second projection. X plus y was 9. Its meaning 11, but x equal 11. 11 plus y equal 9. Okay, then the value of y will be equal 9 minus 11. Will be negative 2. The value of y was negative 2. Now we can find square root of 3x plus 2y. The result will be square root of 3 times x. 3 times 11 33 and 2 times y. 2 times negative 2 it will be negative 4. Square root of 33 minus 4 it will be 29. The result will be 29 again. Okay, sorry, this 5 not 9. This 5. Again, x minus 2 equal 5 not 9. Then x will be 7. X will be 7. Okay, 7 plus y equal 9. Then y equal 9 minus 7 equal 2. Then the value of y will be equal to 2. Here you want to find 3x plus 2y. 3 times x, x was 7. 3 times 7 is 21. And 2 times 2, 4. 21 plus 4 is 25. Square root of 25 equal 5. Okay, then the answer here will be 5. Okay, you must pay attention about the number. First, x minus 2 equal 5. And 9 equal x plus y. And the result will be 5. Next question. Using opposite Venn diagram, find the answer. Number 1. We have here a question. Letter A, you want to find A intersection C Cartesian product with B. The intersection between A and C, look at here. A and C intersection at 2. Cartesian product with set of B. B was the element of B, 7, 1 and 5. We have set of 2 and 7. 2 with 1. 2 is 5. Okay, it's first question letter A. Question letter B. C union B. Cartesian product with B. The union between C and B. Write all element in C and B. Don't repeating. C was 3 and 2. And B has 7, 1 and 5. Cartesian product with B. B was 7, 1 and 5. 7, 5 and 1. You can distribute, right order. Start from 3. 3 was 7, 3 was 5, 3 was 1, and so on. 2 was 7, 2 was 5, 2 was 1. You can complete, okay, to find the orders. Next question, number 3. We have two sets A and B and also C, 3 sets. He want to find number 1, letter A Cartesian product by C. A was 179. Cartesian product with C 197. It's direct. You can complete 1 with 1 and 1 with 7, and then 7 with 1, 7 with 7, 9 with 1, and 9 with 7. Letter B. You want to find A and B Cartesian product between A union C. B was 4, 2 and 7. Cartesian product A union C. Put element of A and C 179 and 1 and 7 in C. Here 1 and 7 don't repeating. Now we can write the order. Start 4 with 1, 4 with 7, 4 with 9. You can complete 2 with 1, 2 with 7, 2 with 9, and then 7 and 1, 7 and 7, 7 and 9. Okay, you can complete this question. It's easy for you. Next question. Model letter B. Choose the correct answer. We have two order pairs are equivalent here. Then first equal first and second equal second. X power 5 will be 243, and y plus 1 is equivalent to cubic root of 64. What is the number product by itself? 5 times equal to 243. It will be 3. 3 power 5 equal 234. 243. Okay, then x will be equal 3, and y plus 1 equal cubic root of 64 equal 4, and the value of y equal 3. You want to find x difference y. X was 3, difference y 3, 3 minus 3 equals 0. Okay, next question. Number 2. We have x and y. We want Cartesian product between x and y. X Cartesian product with y. We can write x was 4 and y was 2. We have a set of order 4 and 2. Next question. Second. We have order pair. First x minus 4 equal 5 and 9 equal x plus y. Then x will be 5 plus 4 is 9. X will be 9. Then 9 equal x 9 plus y will be 0. Then the value of y equals 0. He wants to find square root of 4x plus 2y. 4 product by x, 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 0 equals 0. Then the result will be 6. Square root of 36 equals 6. Next question number 2. Use Venn diagram to find letter A intersection C Cartesian product with B. A intersection with C, look at here, they are intersection with 3. Cartesian product with B. B was 5, 6, 8. Okay, raise the element 5, 6, and 8. Then the Cartesian product we can write 3 with 5, 3 with 6, 3 with 8 in brackets. This letter A. Letter B, we have C union B Cartesian product with A. C union B, we can write the element of C and or B here. C was 3 and 4 and B was 5, 6, 8. Cartesian product with A was 3, 5, 7. You can complete, find the order, start 3 with 3, 3 with 5, 3 with 7, and so on. You can complete and use distributor to find all orders. We have C and C. You want to find A Cartesian product by C and represent in the arithmetic. Okay, letter A Cartesian product with C. Write set of A 4, 2 and 6. Cartesian product with C was 8 and 6. Write 4 and 8, and then 4 with 6, and then 2 with 8, 2 with 6, 6 with 8, 6 with 6. We can draw arithmetic here. Two sets X and Y, or A and C. The element of A 4, 2, 6, and we have here 8 and 6. And then draw like this. Understood? Next question, letter B. B Cartesian product between A union C. Set of B here 8, 6, 9. Cartesian product between union A and C. A and C, write all elements in A 8, 6, 9, and C 6 and 8. 6 and 8 here, don't repeat. And then write all order 8 at 8, and 8 and 6, and so on. You can complete it. Letter C, model C. If we have x and y plus 1 equal 8 and the cubic root 125, then the value of x here equal 8. First equal first, and second y plus 1 equal cubic root of 125. Yeah. Then y plus 1 equal cubic root of 125, it will be 5, and the value of y will be 4. He won't find x minus y. X was 8. 8 minus 4 equal 4. Next question. We have x and y. We want Cartesian product between x and y. The answer will be letter D. Set of 3 and 4. Choose letter D. Next question. We have order equal order. Then the first x minus 2 equal 5. And the second 9 will be x plus y. The value of x here will be 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Then 9 equal 7 plus y. The value of y will be 2. Square root of 3x plus 2y equal 3 times x, 3 times 7, 21. 2 times 2 equal 4. The result will be square root of 25 equal 5. Next question. Venn diagram. Letter A. We want to find A intersection C. Cartesian product with B. A intersection with C at the point 11. Element 11 here. Intersection with B. B was 9, 8, 6. And then find the orders. 11 was 9. 11 was 8. 11 was 6. Letter B. We want to find C union B. Cartesian product by A. C union B. C and B, write all elements in C and B. 10 and 11 at C and B. 9, 8, 6. Cartesian product with A. A was 6, 7, 11. You can complete to find the order. 10 with 6, and 10 with 7, 10 with 18, and so on. Okay.